Learning Japanese in 3 days, is it possible? Many people dream of becoming fluent in a new language quickly and effortlessly. The idea of learning Japanese in just 3 days might sound like a miracle, but is it really possible? Let's dive into this intriguing concept. First and foremost, it's important to manage our expectations. While learning the basics of a language in a short period of time is possible, becoming fluent in just 3 days is highly unlikely. Fluency requires time, dedication, and continuous practice. However, there are certainly ways to make the most out of those 3 days and lay a solid foundation for your Japanese learning journey. Here are some key steps to get started. 1. Immerse yourself. Immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Watch Japanese movies or anime with subtitles. Listen to Japanese music and try to speak and think in Japanese during your 3-day immersion period. 2. Focus on essential phrases. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, prioritize useful phrases that you can immediately put into practice. This could include greetings, basic conversational phrases, numbers, and essential vocabulary. 3. Utilize language learning resources. Take advantage of language learning resources such as textbooks, apps, or online courses. These can provide structured lessons and practice exercises to help you grasp the basics more quickly. 4. Practice speaking. Find a language partner or join a conversation group to practice speaking Japanese. Speaking aloud will help you build confidence and improve your pronunciation. 5. Memorize hiragana and katakana. Learning the 2 Japanese writing systems, hiragana and katakana, will greatly enhance your ability to read and understand the language. Spending time memorizing these characters will pay off in the long run. Remember, the goal here is to build a strong foundation and kickstart your Japanese learning journey. While becoming fluent in 3 days is unrealistic, these tips will certainly give you a head start. The key is to continue practicing and immersing yourself in the language beyond the initial 3-day period. With dedication and perseverance, your Japanese skills will steadily grow, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to fluency.